Hi everybody, it's Lavinia. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be unboxing Beautyfix by Dermstore. This is their June box, and I've already opened up the box, and they always have, we're here for the unabashed love of skin. And I have this subscription box going. It's over a year now, and there's different samples from different brands, and there's usually one full-size product. So let's take a look and see what we have. So the first thing I see here is from Holly Frog. It says Galilee Antioxidant Dewy Drop, Replenish and Hydrate. And I have had in this box different Holly Frog samples, I think some face washes. So this is different. Antioxidant Dewy Drop, Replenish and Hydrate. It says here CoQ10 and niacinamide. It's 1 fluid ounce. It says here glass skin, not glass ceilings. Achieving well moisturized skin that's fresh, bouncy, and soft can be a delicate balance, etc. So, and usually their boxes have, I was going to say little designs inside. So let's take a look at this. It's a little gold box inside with stars. And this is what it looks like. Very pretty. I like that color. I always think of colors with my watercolors. So Holly Frog, there you go. 1 fluid ounce. Let's see. It has that Holly Frog scent, so I will definitely be trying this out. I'll leave it out there. Then we also have here Murad Hydration, so that's good, especially with the summer. It's nice to have a lot of moisturizing products. It says moisturize and hydrator. It's a step 3, I guess, out of whatever steps they have. And I think I may have something else that came in Beautyfix, in the Beautyfix box at some other time. And especially here in Arizona, it gets very dry. We don't have that humidity. So this is 0.25 fluid ounces. It says to use AM and PM, massage evenly over face, neck, and chest. Follow with the Murad sunscreen during the day. And it says dermatologist developed. So let's take a look here. So this is what it looks like. Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture. And I think it says it in French. So there you go. It's not thick, so that'll go nice and smooth, I'm sure, on skin. So again, that one. Then we have this. It says Verso Night Cream with Retinol B. And this is 1/2 ounce. I'm not sure, this might be closed, but let's take a look. Yeah, it's sealed. So I will leave that sealed for when I'm going to use it. I like having night creams as well, that versatility. And then these look like it's from the same company. So it's a shampoo and a conditioner. It says Living Proof Perfect Day Hair. So shampoo and conditioner, and it's 1 fluid ounce each. So this is nice, especially for travels, which we will be going away in a few months for a short trip. So that'll come in handy there. And then this says SkinCeuticals Daily Brightening UV Defense Sunscreen, Dual Action Hydrating Sunscreen. Protects against UV-induced pigmentation, even skin tone, and instantly brightens skin. So let's see. So this would also be a sample. And again, here with the Arizona hot sun, that's always good to have. So I think that is it. So I'm not sure if, which is the full-size sample. Maybe it might be, or which might be the full-size product. It might be this, since it's the 1 fluid ounce. So again, in the box, we had this Holly Frog Galilee Antioxidant Dewy Drop in this box here. We'll definitely use that. Also, this from Murad Hydration Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture Step 3 Moisturize and Hydrator, 1/4 ounce. Again, definitely can use that. Also the SkinCeuticals, and I've had this brand multiple times in the Dermstore Beautyfix box. So I've seen this brand with different products, not just this actually, this is the first time I'm getting this particular product, but various samples. So as you can see here, so it looks like an SPF of 30, which is always handy. And then this is the first time I've seen this company, again, Verso Night Cream with Retinol B, 1/2 ounce. And then the shampoo and conditioner from Living Proof Perfect Hair Day, shampoo and conditioner, a fluid ounce each. So if you have any questions, let me know. As I said, I have subscribed to this box for over a year now. And I do like the fact that you get to try out different brands, and if you like it, you know, then you can go ahead and buy maybe the full products that they offer. But I just like getting these and trying out different brands and different products, you know, every month. So again, if you have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications for future upcoming videos. And I hope everyone's having a great day, and see you soon. Bye.